Today I'll be teaching you how to create a Google Drive account. Firstly, open up your Google Drive app. There, you can see a little blue tab that says Sign In. We are going to click that. A pop-up message will appear on your screen that will ask that Google Drive wants to use google.com to sign in. Press Continue. To sign up in Google Drive, you must have a Gmail account. If not, tap on Create Account. There are two types of Google Drive account, one personal and one business. If you want to use it for your personal use, tap For Myself, and if you want to use it for your business, tap To Manage My Business. Now, you're required to fill in your first and your last name. After you're done, tap Next. Now you're required to enter your birth date and your gender. When you are done, press Next. Now you'll have the option to pick a Gmail address or create your own. After you're done, press Next. After that, you'll need to create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. After you have created your password, press Next. Now add your phone number to account, or else you can skip it too by tapping on Skip. Now you can use this Gmail address to sign in later. Tap on Next to continue. And then we must read the privacy and terms of Google. When you're done, click on I agree. This is how you create a Google Drive account. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.